Well, here we are on the corner of Highview Avenue and Bluepoint Road. As you can see, this morning, Bluepoint Road has been plowed in both directions. But the thing that's noticeable that nobody has mentioned is the job of plowing looks like it was great, but the problem that we still have is the road has a hard crust of snow on it. And in the past, from my experience, what has happened in the past is the town would come and they would sand the roads, and for some reason this year it looks like there was no sanding of the roads. Now, I'm not sure if the reason for that is because John Rouse is no longer highway commissioner, and I'm not really sure. Here's Tulip and Bluepoint Road, and Tulip and Bluepoint Road, actually last night their road had a slight path, and it still has a slight path. Looks like possibly nobody's gone over that path again today. But as I was saying, John Rouse is no longer the commissioner, the highway commissioner, or superintendent, whatever he's called. And when we heard this town of Brookhaven spokesperson talking about the situation, I didn't see anybody with him, with Don from the highway department, and that's a little bit disturbing that there was no Brookhaven highway department representative present at the meetings that were conducted. Actually not the meetings, but the news clips that were released. And what I also found strange is that unfortunately the person interviewing, getting the information from the town of Brookhaven, not once brought up the fact that, John Rouse is, I believe, not in charge anymore. And since he's not in charge anymore, is there a deputy highway commissioner in charge? That I don't know. Okay, now we're approaching Walnut. Now we're approaching Walnut. It looks like Walnut still hasn't been plowed. Walnut and Bluepoint Road has not been plowed. The main road was plowed, but not Walnut and Bluepoint. Now, the other problem that we run into is sometimes the side roads that look like they've been plowed, they might have been plowed by private individuals that actually live on the road, and they were getting out either good to go to work, or they were good Samaritans in trying to open up their street. So it's quite unclear as to, unfortunately, what is really happening in the town of Brookhaven. And I'm sure it's not only the town of Brookhaven, it's probably quite the same in many other towns, of what's really happening during the storm. This was a huge storm, and unfortunately, no matter how prepared you think you are, it's always quite easy to find out that all your preparation really doesn't work, because this is nature. In nature, is very fickle, and nature is very uncertain. Here we are at Willow. Oh God, Willow Avenue. And my God, it looks like somebody attempted to oh my God, Willow Avenue actually. Willow Avenue, Bluepoint Road. Somebody attempted to clean out the road, but this is crazy. They actually put a mountain. They put a mound, which is probably, let's see, I'm 5'6". The mound is like 5 feet high on the entrance to Willow Avenue, and nobody has come down Willow Avenue at all. The snow is still 3 feet high, and as you can see, nobody is coming in or going out on Willow Avenue. Willow Avenue is devastated. As let's see if we can zoom in on it. There we go. As you can see, Willow Avenue is going nowhere. Let's do it slower. Let's zoom in at a slower rate. People are stuck on Willow Avenue, and I'm not sure if that also means the beyond Willow Avenue. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of my tour of Bluepoint Road between Willow Avenue and Highview Avenue, and I believe this is probably an indication of how the rest of the town fared in this storm, and believe it or not, it didn't fare too well. Thank you.